Okay, bad timing for me. I didn't went back to sleep, so yeah, I'm running late right now. I'm heading to Skyhigh dandenong. Hope everything's gonna be fine. This is a one-man show, and I'll be doing an SD alone. Okay, that was quick. Okay, let's go driving. This was just due to the scheduled burning, so that's why those trees look like that, but they're not gonna die, they're gonna live. And it's really foggy today, far out. Damn. Quick vlog for today. I just finished the wedding, and yeah, the weather's still really bad. Like, we didn't take a lot of photos because yeah, you can see the weather around me. I'm gonna show you around. This is Skyhigh dandenong, and yeah, this is a nice place to stay, go around the place. But the thing is, today's weather is like, man, you can even see the cars. Look. So I was planning to show you guys the view, but there's no view, it's all fog. Earlier also, while we were shooting, we had a bit of sunshine, so I was able to take photos of the couple. But after that, like, you know, the weather went down. It's been raining. I need to run to the car. Yeah, I need to run to the car. Oh shit, I'm really getting wet. And yeah, there goes lock. Damn. Whew. Okay, so now I'm in the car. I'm safe down here. And the thing is, yeah, the weather's really bad. We just have a brief moment of sunshine, but I was able to take good photos. Like, I'll show them to you maybe later, yeah. And yeah, the thing is, yeah, I didn't bring my jacket. I was just bringing this coat. And now this coat is so wet now. It's so cold. I need to go home. Apparently I need to go to Mola's place to do some deals. But yeah, other than that, on my way back to the north. Yep. Shit, I'm tired. Not because of the shoot, but because of the weather. Really cold. Really cold.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make.
Here we go. Creepy eye. Oh yeah. One of the longest drive I have. It's so hectic. I'm still not home. Just passed by KFC. I'm just dying to go home now. Yes, I am.